Hari ni I macam ikut tema sebab luggage pun belang-belang, baju I pun belang-belang, and then I pakai tudung hitam. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to unbox with you my Sephora Spring Press Day goodie bag. It's not really a goodie bag, it's a luggage bag actually. This is a turtleneck top from Classy Velvet. The material is cotton. It's like ordinary t-shirt, tak panas, murah. If you are interested on what I use on my face today, it will be down in the description box below. I didn't do any tutorial for this look. I only did like a lipstick application, and if you're up for that, you can check out my Instagram, and if you haven't followed me already on my Instagram, you can go there and click the follow button. Okay, disclaimer, this video is going to be very long. Grab your nasi kandar, sit down and eat it in front of me. I'm going to go first with hair products and then skincare, lastly baru makeup. Okay, the first product is from Way Hair Care. It's a memory mist. Use before you style. This multitasking priming spray adds heat protection, so it's basically a priming spray if you want to style your hair. I don't think I'm gonna use this, so I'm going to give this away to you guys. Next is from Botanis. It's a botanical hair water, apple and peach. Contains 25 kinds of botanical ingredients and it brings your hair moist and shiny. I don't know how to open this, man. I tak boleh nak bau dia because I tak boleh nak buka. And it is a Japanese brand. Okay, this one. Botanis Hair Milk, apple and peach juga. It contains 20 kinds of botanical ingredients and it brings your hair moist and shiny juga. So it's basically a lotion or cream to moisturize your hair. So I'm gonna give that away, I guess. I don't think I need it. Okay. This one is also for hair. It's from Rita Hazen, New York. Root Concealer Touch-Up Stick. Temporary Gray Coverage. I think I have two, but I used one. Both of it are in dark brown and black. I guna sebab I just nak try. The guy at the Rita Hazen counter during the event, he told me that this could be used to touch up your eyebrow as well. So I tested out. This one yang dah buka, this one yang belum lagi. So I nak tunjuk kat you yang dah buka lah. So it looks something like that. It's like a pencil and it's retractable. So yeah, I'm giving this away as well. Satu I simpan just in case. Satu I nak bagi. And they also have this triple treat split end remedy, the samples, and I'm going to include this. That's it for the hair. I did request it for the straightening iron and also the comb, but I didn't get that. Bukan rezeki ko eh. Moving on to skincare. This is Way Matte Mask. It has 2468 mask and it comes with a brush. So I'm going to open this up. I think satu ni boleh pakai 2 kali sebab macam banyak je. Next is also from Way. It's called Express Glow Illuminating Mask. Dia pun mask juga. Dia macam sheet mask in a tube. Dia macam tabung uji tau kat sekolah tu. Tapi dia ada penutup. So the sheet mask is inside the bottle. So if you wanna use it, you have to take it out. Dia tak ada macam pengepit ke? Okay, tak ada. Oh, ada. Ada lah pengepit dia. Oh. So dia macam you kena guna pengepit ni, tarik, bawa keluar dari tabung uji tu and then pakai. Oh, I thought it's 3 je. Rupanya 6. Oh my god. Wow. So extra. And then we have Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Rescue Mask. Yes. This is a 5-minute mask, but the girl said makes so much different to her skin. So yeah, I have a lot of mask already and I tak sempat pun nak pakai. So I sayang nak buka this one, but I'll put like a picture if I have it, like right here. So it comes in the top like this. Berat gila, serious. They also gave Black Tea Kombucha Facial Treatment Essence. I think this one, a lot of influencers receive them, but I don't. So I only have one. I wish I have two so I could give this one away, but I cannot. sorry. So this is what it looks like. It looks similar to SK2 punya Essence in some way because of the matte bottle. And then from Skin Inc, I got this sheet mask. It is Facial in a Flash Mask Series, Soothe and Purify Black Gold Mask, Calm and Detox. This is a 10 to 20 minutes mask. Next, from Beloved One, I got two products, which one is an essence. This one is a sheet mask, I believe. Yeah, mask. And both of this from the same range, which is ethyl ascorbic acid, which is vitamin C, basically. I think I'm going to give this to my sister. From Aldenis, Alguronic Acid Collagen Biotechnology from Francesco. I'm just gonna show you the bottle, okay? Oh, okay. So this is what it looks like. Macam menang anugerah. I don't know if you could tell, but it has like small particles inside it. So basically, you buka and then you picit untuk keluarkan produk. Nampak tak? Next is also from Aldenis, Ultimate Anti-Aging Emulsion. So it's basically for anti-aging, anti-wrinkle, firming fine lines, combats dry and sensitive skin or uneven skin tone, protection from pollution and sun. Basically, it hydrates your skin and helps to reduce enlarged pores, stuff like that. So if that is your concern, you can go and grab these two items. Look at the packaging. It reminds me of Instagram. So it's a Korean brand, I think. Yeah, it's a Korean brand. Instant glowing cream for makeup ready skin. Next is also from the brand, is it Bleed or Bleth or whatever. This is Makeup Prepping Essence. So it's like that. Pink serum. From Boscia, Gel to Mousse Cleanser. It's a gentle everyday cleanser that transforms from a gel to a creamy mousse when applied on skin. Leaves complexion soft, clean and balanced. I'm not a fan of gel moussey type cleanser. I'm sticking with my current cleanser, so I think I'm giving this away. So another product is also from Boscia. It's called Charcoal Jelly Ball Cleanser. It reminds me of a big Orbeez. Do you know Orbeez? It's making your cleansing routine fun. Oh, this is also from Boscia, I'm sorry. This one, Subaki Swirl 2-part Gel and Cream Deep Hydration Moisturizer. It is meant for dry and sensitive skin. It looks like flower petals. So let me show you that. I'm going to try this one out because it smells amazing. And it also have this scoop. Is it a scoop? Spatula. From This Works, this is Evening Detox Cleansing Water. This is what it looks like. Comes in a tube. Giant tube. See? So I'm going to read through this. When after a day exposed to the environment, wipe away skin damaging pollutants with a detoxifying micellar water. So it's basically a micellar water. Effective removal of makeup and pollution, leaves skin feeling clean and revitalized, and helps encourage overnight skin rejuvenation. It's like a higher step from your usual micellar water. This is a little bit extra. I'm going to give this a try once I'm done with my micellar water. From First Aid Beauty, Coconut Water Cream helps to hydrate, smooth, and recharge. It is safe for sensitive skin. I love anything that is coconut. I don't know why, but First Aid Beauty products reminds me of Jeffree Star. But it just does. Smells like you're at the beach. So fresh. So coconutty. Next product is from Dr. Jart, Water Fuse Ultimate Next is also from Dr. Jart. This is the UV Tone Up Sunscreen. Yes. And I've tried this out and I totally love it. This is the trial pack. So this sunscreen have SPF 50 PA++. It gives that pink tone-up effect to your skin, but after a while it go away, and it smells amazing as well. It doesn't make my skin oily or anything like that, because usually when I wear any kind of sunblock, it tends to make my skin oilier. It comes with a gift, which is microfoam, which is a cleanser, Derma Clear Microfoam Cleanser. This one. This is perfect cleansing with fine bubble, purifying effect of hydrogen mineral water, mild and moisture formula. I think I'm going to keep it, but if it doesn't suit my skin, then I'm going to give it to somebody. Definitely, this sunblock is highly recommended. And we have also another sunblock, which is Super Goop Unseen Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 40, water and sweat resistant 40 minutes. I'm not sure whether it claims to be water resistance up to 40 minutes or after 40 minutes. I don't know. So here's how it looks like. This is the last brand for skincare, Peter Thomas Roth. This is their new Water Drench Cloud Cream Cleanser. It gently removes makeup and impurities, contains hyaluronic acid, draws water vapor from the clouds to help lock in moisture, with sodium PCA and coconut oil and marshmallow root extract. Wow. So this is what it looks like. This one catches my eyes because I have like dark circles under my eyes, so I really need this one. Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Hydrogel Eye Patches. It comes with a spatula as well. Ooh, ooh. So that's the eye patches, but I'm not going to use it right now because I have makeup on and it's evening. I got two nail polishes. This is Lacquer Lock Extreme Long Wear Top Coat. It's basically a clear, transparent top coat. This is in the shade Afternoon Mocha, just in case if you're interested to buy. Okay, now is the fun part, makeup. This is Nude Sticks new Rock and Roller Easy Eyeliner Ink. I love the packaging because it reminds me of those old days where you bring this kind of pencil case to school, right? Pencil box. So it has mirror inside. This is what it looks like. This is in the shade Black Moon. Next is Cover FX Products, the new Shimmer Veil, and this is the glitter drops. This one is in the code Amethyst. I'm going to show what it looks like. You can use it anywhere you want. You can use it on your eyes, you can use it on your cheeks as a highlight, or on your lips as a lip topper. Glitter drops look something like this. This is in the code Mirage. So beautiful. Oh my god, look at that. I think I'm going to give this a try. Where's my mirror? You can use this on top of your foundation for a highlight, for a beaming highlight. You can also use this before your foundation, and you could also use this on your eyelid for eyeshadows. Okay, so next, this miniature palette from Sephora. It contains 6 different shades of eyeshadow. So this is what it looks like. So cute. So that's the color. I think I'm going to give this palette away. Lipsticks from Sephora. This is called Lip Stories. Each of the lipstick have their own designs, as you can see. This is Wanderlust, Hong Kong by Night. I mean, not the shade, it's the design. All Washed Up, Washing Machine, what up? Deep Water Bay, Sea, and then No Cell Service, Little Magic, So 3 of them are matte, 2 of them are metal, and 1 of them is satin. And then I got Kat Von D Studded Kiss Lipstick in the shade Vampira. It's a deep burgundy shade. And then I got the Marc Jacob Liquid Lip Crayon in the shade Sand Nudes. Ooh, super pigmented. Look at that. And then I got a new highlighter from Becca. It's called Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed in the shade Vanilla Quartz. So cantik. That is how it looks like. And then I got this Tarte Foil Finger Paints Shadow Palette. This is super pretty, I tell you. Look at that. I mean, can we appreciate the packaging already? So this is what the palette looks like inside. It kind of have like moussey texture. Look at that. These are the 3 shades. Okay, that I barely touched them. Seriously. Look at that. I have glitter all over my hands already. Oh my god, this is so pretty. What is this shade called? Sailor's Delight. That one, that red one is little something. This two is the top coats for this eyeshadow, but you could also use this on other eyeshadows. There's no rule in makeup. That is the swatches. It is so bad because I have glitter all over it. I mean, all over the back of my hand. That's it. Look at that. This is the new Tartlet Toasted. So this is what it looks like, guys. I know you've seen this everywhere already. There's no point of me showing this to you. But let me swatch some of my shades. This, and this. Look at it. This is Flame. Oh my god. I die. Flame is super pretty. 4 shades that I swatch. Super pigmented, and look at my hands. They are still left over, okay? But ugh, god. This is the last item that I will be showing you. It looks like an old purse. Expensive old purse, if you get me. So this is a contouring palette. Contouring and highlighting palette. This is what it looks like. 1 shimmer bronzer. These 2 are mattes. This one is satin, and these 2 are the highlights, but it is matte as well. So yeah, I'm not gonna swatch this yet because I'm going to take pictures with it. So yeah, that's it. Those are the items that I got for the Spring Press Day event. I wish to get more, but this is all I got. Anyway, thank you so much for tuning in with me. I hope you enjoy watching this kind of video, and I will see you in my next video, inshallah. Till then, take care. I love you.
Asyik, kenapa? Asyik bagi tumpat tadi. Tak sengaja lah. Tak apa, fikir je. Asyik kena pilih all the glitters.